Come on along. The bigger they are, the harder they fall. That's all I got to say about that. We'll bring you up to date on what's going on there. Eventually. Did a little shop moving today. Can you tell? My eyes are half open. Tired. Remember the two hardest working guys in Wisconsin. Yep. It's all good, right, boys? I'm pointing that way. Oh, there's a light burned out on the truck. DOT's gonna snatch us for that.
Good.
How does that work this now that it's deregulated? Pretty nice. Alright, we'll see you later.